Decoding Rocket Lab, 5 key milestones that shaped its journey and 3 strategic directions for 2024. Introduction. Rocket Lab, a key player in the burgeoning space industry, has achieved remarkable milestones since its inception. As of 2024, the company has solidified its position with a series of significant accomplishments while outlining strategic directions for the coming year. This report details 5 pivotal milestones that have defined Rocket Lab's journey and presents 3 strategic directions that the company is poised to pursue in 2024. Key milestones. 1. Establishment of the Electron rocket. Rocket Lab's Electron rocket, which made its inaugural flight in January 2018, has emerged as a leader in the small satellite launch market. By 2024, the Electron achieved an impressive 100% mission success rate, becoming the second most frequently launched U.S. rocket. With over 190 satellites delivered into orbit, the Electron's operational excellence has attracted numerous commercial and government contracts, reinforcing Rocket Lab's reputation as a reliable launch provider. 2. Rapid launch capability. One of Rocket Lab's distinguishing features is its remarkable turnaround times from contract signing to launch. The company demonstrated this efficiency during the mission titled Changes in Latitudes, Changes in Attitudes, which was scheduled for launch just 2 months after the contract was signed. This ability to respond quickly to customer needs has enhanced Rocket Lab's competitiveness in the growing market for satellite launches. 3. Development of the Neutron rocket. In addition to its success with the Electron, Rocket Lab is heavily investing in the development of the Neutron rocket, a medium-lift vehicle designed to accommodate larger payloads and incorporate reusable technology. The successful hot-fire test of the Archimedes engine in 2024 marked a significant advancement in this initiative. The Neutron is expected to meet the increasing demand for large satellite constellations, positioning Rocket Lab to capture a larger share of the market. 4. Financial growth and revenue diversification. Rocket Lab has demonstrated impressive financial growth, with quarterly revenues increasing from $50 to $60 million in 2023 to over $100 million by mid-2024. Projections for Q4 2024 suggest revenues could reach between $125 to $135 million. This growth is attributed to strategic diversification into spacecraft manufacturing and integrated space systems such as the Photon spacecraft, which enhances profit margins compared to conventional launch services. 5. Strategic partnerships and contracts. The company has secured significant contracts, including agreements with NASA for Neutron launch services. These partnerships not only enhance Rocket Lab's credibility in the industry but also ensure a consistent revenue stream for future operations. Collaborations with various commercial entities further solidify its standing in the competitive landscape of space launches. Strategic directions for 2024. 1. Enhancing production and launch capacity. In anticipation of growing demand for satellite launches, Rocket Lab aims to double its Electron rocket production and maintain a high launch cadence. This strategic move is designed to capitalize on the increasing need for responsive and dedicated launch services, especially as the frequency of commercial satellite deployments escalates. 2. Advancement of Neutron development. Rocket Lab will prioritize the completion and operational readiness of the Neutron rocket in 2024. The successful deployment of Neutron is crucial for the company to establish a foothold in the medium-lift sector, allowing it to target larger payloads and broader customer bases. This initiative is expected to open new revenue streams and enhance the company's market position. 3. Expansion into space systems solutions. By diversifying into spacecraft manufacturing and integrated space systems, Rocket Lab is setting itself up to capture higher margin opportunities within the space economy. The space systems segment, which includes the Photon spacecraft and various components, is projected to become a significant revenue generator. This strategic focus not only mitigates risks associated with reliance on launch services but also positions Rocket Lab for sustained financial growth. Differences between sources. Source 1 highlights Rocket Lab's financial metrics and strategic growth initiatives, emphasizing the company's momentum and attractiveness to investors. Source 2 provides a broader overview of key space milestones in 2024 but lacks specific details on Rocket Lab. Source 3 focuses on operational achievements, particularly the rapid launch capabilities of the Electron rocket and the introduction of new missions. Timeline of events. January 2018, Rocket Lab conducts its first launch of the Electron rocket. 2023, quarterly revenues range from $50 to $60 million. Mid-2024, revenues exceed $100 million with projections for Q4 indicating a record of $125 to $135 million. 2024, the successful hot-fire test of the Neutron engine and new contract announcements including with NASA. Conclusion. Rocket Lab's combination of operational excellence, financial growth, and strategic advancements positions it favorably in the competitive landscape of the space economy. With promising trajectories for 2024 and beyond, the company is set to continue its evolution as a leading provider of launch services and space systems solutions. As Rocket Lab navigates the complexities of the space industry, its focus on innovation and responsiveness to market demands will be critical for sustained success and growth. 1. Establishment of the Electron rocket. Rocket Lab's Electron rocket, launched in January 2018, is now a key player in the small satellite launch market, achieving a remarkable 100% success rate by 2024. This success has positioned it as the second most frequently launched U.S. rocket, which is counterintuitive since many might assume larger rockets dominate the market. But the demand for small satellite launches has surged. 2. Rapid launch capability. Rocket Lab's ability to turn around contracts to launches in less than 2 months is noteworthy. The recent mission changes in Latitudes, changes in attitudes, exemplifies this speed, showcasing how Rocket Lab can meet urgent customer needs more efficiently than competitors. This challenges the conventional view that launch preparation is a lengthy process. 3. Development of the Neutron rocket. Rocket Lab's investment in the Neutron rocket is aimed at larger payloads and introduces reusability. The successful hot-fire test in 2024 indicates a shift in strategy that may seem contradictory. While many companies focus on smaller, more frequent launches, Rocket Lab is expanding into medium lift capabilities, highlighting a dual approach to market demands. 4. Financial growth and revenue diversification. The company's revenue growth from $50 to $60 million in 2023 to over $100 million by mid-2024 is striking, especially given the capital-intensive nature of the space industry. The anticipated record of $125 to $135 million in Q4 2024 suggests a robust financial trajectory that counters the narrative of ongoing financial struggles within the launch sector. 5. Strategic partnerships and contracts. Securing contracts with entities like NASA boosts Rocket Lab's credibility and revenue stability. It may seem counterintuitive that a company primarily known for small satellite launches can compete for significant government contracts typically reserved for larger firms. Strategic directions for 2024. 1. Enhancing production and launch capacity. Rocket Lab plans to double Electron production, which is surprising given the recent increase in launch cadence. This indicates a strong confidence in market demand for small satellite launches, suggesting a potential misalignment with broader industry trends that focus on larger payloads. 2. Advancement of Neutron development. The focus on completing Neutron is critical for accessing new markets. This reflects a counterintuitive strategy within the industry, where many firms prioritize reliability and lower-cost solutions, while Rocket Lab is positioning itself to take on larger, more lucrative contracts. 3. Expansion into space systems solutions. By diversifying into spacecraft manufacturing and integrated space systems solutions, Rocket Lab is moving into a higher-margin segment of the market. This shift is counterintuitive as many launch companies focus solely on launch services, but Rocket Lab is capturing more value by offering comprehensive solutions. Differences between sources. Source 1 emphasizes financial metrics and growth, while Source 3 highlights operational achievements, revealing contrasting focuses that may lead to different interpretations of Rocket Lab's success. Source 2 does not emphasize specific milestones but raises general concerns about the space sector, contrasting with the optimistic narrative presented by the other sources. Timeline of events. January 2018, Electron's first launch. 2023, revenue ranges from $50 to $60 million. Mid-2024, revenue exceeds $100 million. With projections of $125 to $135 million for Q4. 2024, successful testing of the Neutron engine and major contracts including with NASA. In summary, Rocket Lab's combination of operational excellence, financial growth, and strategic advancements positions it favorably in the evolving space economy despite the counterintuitive nature of some of its strategies and achievements. In examining Rocket Lab's report, several important details and insights are likely to be overlooked by many readers. Here are the key points that stand out alongside their significance. 1. 100% mission success rate of Electron rocket. Most discussions about Rocket Lab focus on revenue growth in future rockets like Neutron, but the achievement of a 100% mission success rate for the Electron rocket is monumental. This milestone not only solidifies Rocket Lab's credibility but also positions it as a reliable partner for both commercial and government clients. A perfect success rate reduces perceived risk for potential customers contemplating launching satellites, thereby increasing demand. The significance here is that reliability in the aerospace sector is paramount. A single failure can lead to substantial financial loss and reputational damage. As Rocket Lab continues to deliver on its promises, their credibility in the market is strengthened, potentially leading to more lucrative contracts. 2. Rapid turnaround times. The report highlights Rocket Lab's impressive ability to launch within 2 months of contract signing. This rapid turnaround capability is a critical differentiator in the increasingly competitive launch market. Many companies struggle with lengthy lead times, which can be a deal breaker for customers needing timely launches. The significance of this attribute lies in its reflection of operational efficiency and responsiveness to market needs. This agility not only enhances customer satisfaction but also enables Rocket Lab to capitalize on last-minute opportunities, thereby increasing its market share and revenue potential. 3. Financial growth versus profitability. While the report showcases Rocket Lab's impressive quarterly revenue growth, it's important to note that this doesn't automatically translate to profitability. The company is currently investing heavily in growth initiatives, particularly in the Neutron program. Many investors may overlook the fact that while revenues are increasing, operating expenses are also significant due to R&D investments. Understanding this balance is crucial. Sustained revenue growth needs to be matched by improved margins to avoid long-term financial strain. The significance lies in the company's future trajectory. If they can successfully scale their operations and reduce costs over time, they can shift from focusing on growth to profitability, which would be a major turning point. 4. Diverse revenue streams from space systems. Rocket Lab's expansion into spacecraft manufacturing and space systems solutions is a strategic move that's often overshadowed by discussions of launch services. This diversification is significant as it not only mitigates risks associated with relying solely on launch services but also taps into potentially higher-margin business areas. The report notes that the space systems segment is expected to become a substantial revenue generator, indicating a forward-thinking approach to business sustainability. This diversification is crucial in the evolving space economy, where companies that can offer a range of services are likely to thrive. 5. Partnerships and contracts with NASA. Securing contracts with prominent organizations like NASA is a critical milestone that can sometimes be glossed over. These partnerships not only provide financial stability but also enhance Rocket Lab's credibility in the industry. Collaborating with established entities can open doors to additional contracts and projects, further solidifying Rocket Lab's position in the market. The significance lies in the long-term implications of these relationships. They not only ensure a steady revenue stream but also elevate the company's profile, attracting more clients and investors looking for a reputable launch provider. 6. Impact of the Neutron rocket development. While many readers might focus on the current capabilities of the Electron rocket, the ongoing development of the Neutron rocket represents a pivotal future direction for Rocket Lab. Neutron is designed to cater to the larger payload market, which is poised to grow significantly with the increasing demand for satellite constellations. The successful hot-fire test of the Archimedes engine is a technological milestone that mitigates risks associated with future launches. The significance of Neutron lies in its potential to diversify Rocket Lab's offerings and capture a larger market share, particularly as commercial space missions become more prevalent. 7. Strategic production and launch capacity expansion. The intention to double Electron rocket production is a critical strategic move that may not receive the attention it deserves. This decision indicates confidence in market demand and the company's ability to scale operations. However, scaling production comes with challenges, such as maintaining quality and managing supply chain issues. The significance of this expansion can't be understated. It positions Rocket Lab to become a leader in small satellite launches, especially as demand continues to grow. Conclusion. In summary, while Rocket Lab's report highlights impressive financial metrics and future growth avenues, the subtleties behind operational successes, market positioning, and strategic partnerships are equally, if not more, significant. Understanding these aspects provides a deeper insight into Rocket Lab's competitive edge and potential for sustained success in the dynamic space industry. Investors and stakeholders should pay close attention to these elements to appreciate the full scope of Rocket Lab's strategic planning and operational execution. 1. Establishment of the Electron rocket. The launch of the Electron rocket in January 2018 marked a pivotal moment for Rocket Lab, positioning it as a leader in the small satellite launch market. By achieving a 100% mission success rate by 2024 and launching over 190 satellites, Rocket Lab has solidified its reputation and attracted lucrative contracts from both commercial and government sectors. This milestone not only demonstrates operational excellence but also highlights the company's ability to meet the growing demand for satellite deployment in an increasingly competitive landscape. 2. Rapid launch capability. Rocket Lab's ability to rapidly transition from contract signing to launch is a critical competitive advantage. The mission changes in Latitudes changes in Attitudes, which was scheduled for launch just 2 months after the contract signing, exemplifies this efficiency. This capacity for quick turnarounds caters to urgent customer needs and enhances Rocket Lab's market position, showcasing its agility in responding to the dynamic demands of the space industry. 3. Development of the Neutron rocket. The development of the Neutron rocket represents a strategic expansion for Rocket Lab into the medium-lift launch vehicle market. With a focus on reusability and larger payload capacities, the successful hot-fire test of the Archimedes engine in 2024 is a significant technological achievement. This advancement is expected to unlock new market opportunities, particularly for the deployment of large satellite constellations, thus further diversifying Rocket Lab's offerings and revenue streams. 4. Financial growth and revenue diversification. Rocket Lab's impressive financial trajectory, with quarterly revenues soaring from $50 to $60 million in 2023 to over $100 million by mid-2024, underscores its strong market presence and effective execution of growth strategies. The diversification into spacecraft manufacturing, particularly the Photon spacecraft, not only enhances profit margins but also positions Rocket Lab to capture a larger share of the space economy. This strategic move is anticipated to solidify the company's financial health and attractiveness to investors as it evolves beyond a pure launch service provider. These 4 points encapsulate the essential milestones and strategic directions that underscore Rocket Lab's growth and competitive positioning in the evolving space industry. 1. The Apollo program. One of the most iconic milestones in space exploration, NASA's Apollo program achieved a series of significant milestones, including the first human landing on the Moon in 1969. The program highlighted rapid technological advancements, international competition during the Cold War, and the importance of strategic partnerships, particularly with contractors and international allies. The success of Apollo 11 fundamentally changed public perception of space travel and solidified the United States' position in the space race. 2. SpaceX's Falcon 1 launch. SpaceX's Falcon 1 rocket became the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit in 2008. This milestone marked a significant turning point in the commercialization of space, showcasing the potential for private companies to contribute to space exploration. SpaceX's operational model emphasized rapid development cycles, cost-effective launch solutions, and a focus on reusability, which has since been adopted by many other companies in the industry. 3. The launch of the Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided groundbreaking astronomical data and stunning images of the universe. This initiative was a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency (ESA) and has significantly advanced our understanding of cosmology and astrophysics. The project faced numerous challenges, including initial optical errors, which were addressed through a series of servicing missions, demonstrating the importance of adaptability and innovation in long-term space projects. Rocket Lab's trajectory within the space industry showcases a remarkable evolution marked by significant milestones and strategic initiatives. As the company looks forward to 2024, it is poised for further growth and innovation. Here are key predictions for the future of Rocket Lab based on its current trajectory. Future outlook for Rocket Lab. 1. Continued market leadership in small satellite launches. Rocket Lab is set to reinforce its leadership position in the small satellite launch market. With the Electron rocket achieving a 100% mission success rate and becoming the second most frequently launched U.S. rocket, the company is likely to expand its customer base. The increasing demand for small satellite deployments, driven by advancements in telecommunications, Earth observation, and national security, will further propel Rocket Lab's launch cadence. By 2025, it is anticipated that Rocket Lab will launch a record number of missions, capitalizing on both commercial and government contracts. 2. Successful launch of the Neutron rocket. The Neutron rocket is expected to play a pivotal role in Rocket Lab's future success. With its medium lift capabilities and reusable design, Neutron is forecasted to cater to larger payloads, including satellite constellations from major players in the space industry. Following the successful hot-fire tests of the Archimedes engine, the debut launch of Neutron in 2025 is likely to attract significant attention. Successful missions could secure lucrative contracts, substantially enhancing Rocket Lab's revenue streams and market position in the medium lift sector. 3. Expansion of space systems and diversification of revenue streams. Rocket Lab's strategic move into spacecraft manufacturing and integrated space solutions is expected to yield substantial returns. As the company diversifies its offerings, the space systems segment is projected to become a key revenue generator. By focusing on high-margin opportunities, such as the Photon spacecraft and various components, Rocket Lab will likely reduce reliance on launch services alone. This shift is anticipated to lead to improved profit margins and overall financial health, positioning Rocket Lab as a comprehensive space solutions provider by 2025. 4. Increased global presence and strategic partnerships. As Rocket Lab continues to grow, its global presence is likely to expand through strategic partnerships and international collaborations. The company may explore additional launch sites and partnerships with foreign space agencies and private companies. Such collaborations can enhance Rocket Lab's service offerings and market reach, particularly in untapped regions with burgeoning space industries. By 2025, we could see Rocket Lab entering new markets, further solidifying its status as a global leader in launch services. 5. Advancements in sustainability practices. With growing awareness of sustainability in the space sector, Rocket Lab is expected to implement more environmentally friendly practices. Developing reusable rocket technologies and optimizing launch processes will likely be at the forefront of its initiatives. By focusing on reducing the ecological footprint of its operations, Rocket Lab could appeal to environmentally conscious customers and investors, enhancing its brand reputation in an increasingly competitive market. Strategic directions for 2024 and beyond. 1. Enhancing production and manufacturing capabilities. Rocket Lab will likely invest in scaling up its production facilities to meet the anticipated demand for both the Electron and Neutron rockets. By improving manufacturing efficiency and expanding its workforce, the company can ensure timely delivery and maintain its competitive edge. 2. Investing in research and development. To stay ahead of technological advancements, Rocket Lab is expected to increase its investment in R&D, particularly for the Neutron rocket and its space systems division. This focus will enable the company to innovate and adapt to the evolving needs of the space industry, ensuring it remains a key player in the marketplace. 3. Strengthening customer relationships and tailored services. Rocket Lab's focus on customer-centric solutions is likely to deepen as it continues to offer tailored launch services. By enhancing communication and flexibility, the company can better meet customer needs, creating long-term partnerships that drive repeat business. In conclusion, Rocket Lab is on a promising trajectory with a solid foundation built on operational excellence, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to innovation. As it moves towards 2024 and beyond, the company is expected to solidify its position as a key player in the burgeoning space economy, driven by a combination of technological advancements, expanded services, and a focus on sustainability.